should be about right, right? Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney. And today we are going to be talking about exactly how much product you need for your hair. Or at least I'm going to be doing my very best to show you how my hair feels when I'm getting enough product saturation in my hair. If you are using way too much product, your hair could look pretty weighed down. If you're not using enough product, you may not be giving your hair enough hold in order to get the wash day lasting type results that you're wanting. There's a fine line between too much product and not enough. Without further ado, let's run into my bathroom and I will show you exactly how much product I use and kind of that feel that I'm looking for in order to get the results that I'm looking for. Okay guys, before we jump into the actual washing and styling of the hair, I wanted to talk about these lovely products that I'm going to be using in today's video as part of the demo. It's a very exciting time of year because everyone is having wonderful Black Friday sales. Trelux is no different. Just wanted to let y'all know that they will be having 30% off all products site-wide and free shipping over $50. All you have to do is use code BF30 when you check out. This will be valid from November 27th to November 29th. And if you don't pick up products during that time, you can totally grab them on Cyber Monday as well, which is November 30th. You get 30% off site-wide plus free shipping when you spend $50 or more. The cool thing about the Cyber Monday sale is that when you spend more, you save more. So I will have all those details linked in the description down below. You should totally check it out if you've been thinking about picking up these products. Okay, cool. Thank you, Trelux, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Let me show you exactly how I figure out how much product I need for my hair. This is something that is very personal to everyone, but I'm gonna do my very best to show you the feeling that I'm shooting for. Fingers crossed I can do this on camera. But to start the wash day off, I am gonna wash my hair and then we'll move on to the next step. I don't want to run out. There's still product in there. You know the products are good when you start doing this number. Please, I need more. The cool part about Trelux is their conditioner can be used as both a leave-in and a rinse-out conditioner. I've always used it as a rinse-out conditioner, and because it comes with a pump, I just use one pump. This, figuring out how much leave-in my hair needs has been a long process of trial and error. Some people require a ton of leave-in, some people don't require a whole lot, but the feeling that I am looking for when I am applying the leave-in is I want to feel a very thin coating on my hair, but I want to still be able to feel each individual hair strand. I don't want there to be so much product that my hair feels crazy slimy. It's just a little bit of slime. Also, I forgot my brush. I always brush my leave-in through my hair. One moment.
I always finger detangle my hair first so that I can really feel if there's a spot in my head that needs more love. Sometimes you have a section of your hair that's just more tangled, knotted, damaged, and it's okay to apply more product to that spot. But once my hair is thoroughly finger detangled, I feel good about the distribution I've got, I go ahead and brush everything through for like crazy good distribution. I don't know. Okay, I hope that makes sense. All right, so this is what my hair looks like after leave-in. Look it, it's trying to curl, so cute. And it's at this stage that I kind of organize my curl clumps, pull everything off the back of my head so I don't have that weird spot that sticks. I do pull the hair off the sides of my face, off the back of my head like that. Yes, I know, it seems weird to brush everything forward and then pull things off the side of my head, but that's what I do. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water to my hair and add curl enhancer. I also have hair on my hands. Ew. Almost forgot squish to condition. I do squish to condition with my leave-in. This is a method of really marrying the water, the conditioner, with your hair. It's also a way of encouraging curl enhancement for people with a looser curl pattern. It's also a way to distribute product, but I already did that with the brush with the leave-in. All right, now it's time for curl enhancer. And because this lovely product does not have a pump, yes, I will be measuring the amount of product. Now the reason I'm doing this is so that I can so that I can shoot product out into the bottom of my tub. Actually, that kind of proves my point. Sometimes you get too much product squeezed into your hands, sometimes you don't get enough. And if you are measuring the amount of product in your hair, you will get consistent results. Now, you may be asking yourself why I landed on 1 teaspoon of curl enhancer. And that is because when I use that amount of product, I get that sound of saturation of the product in my hair. This is where this video is going to get really tricky. It's trying to show you how my hair feels. Can you tell that my hair is like clumping up more? I hope so. When there's enough product in my hair and I do a good scrunch, squish, pulse kind of application, my hair gets clumpier when there's enough product. When there's not enough product, my hair doesn't get as clumpy. Now, I'm shaking the hair off the back of my head and I'm scrunching here, and I can feel that there's not as much product here as is in the front because that's where I applied everything at first. As this product is liquidy, I do find that I can get away with using slightly more of it than I would a harder hold gel, but still measuring the amount so that I can get consistency. Applying it directly to the back of my head. Do y'all hear that? That is the amount of product. And you can see now that this section that was a little bit stringy here. AMSR over here is a little bit more clumpy because there's more product helping hold the curl clumps together. All right, now it's time to go in with the hard hold gel. And again, I've rinsed my teaspoon off. I really like when things are in tubs to use a teaspoon to scoop it out. One, I know I'm getting a consistent amount of product, like I've said before. Also, I don't have to stick my hand in there. Glaze. Oh, let me show you exactly what things are looking like right now. All right, that's the curl clump size that we are dealing with. And glaze rope scrunch. Like, there's so much product in my hair that it's kind of gooshy feeling. And I haven't even grabbed the full teaspoon of hard hold gel yet. I'm saving that for the back of my head. See? There's still some in there. Directly to the back. Catching any product that falls through the backs of my fingers and making sure to put it back in. Now, that is it for my product application. So my goal is to ride the fine line between using slightly too much product and then obviously not enough. When I err on the side of slightly more product for my hair, one, I'm applying my product on really soaking wet hair. So I do need to use enough product that when I scrunch, I almost feel it kind of oozing out of my hair because my hair is a looser curl pattern and my hair is very, very fine. I use more product rather than less because it gives my hair the structure it needs to hold. Also, when you apply product on soaking wet hair, in order to get very even distribution, sometimes you have to up the amount of water and the amount of product. I hope that makes sense. Okay, I'm tired of bending over my tub. I'm going to go plot my hair and diffuse, and I'll be back to show you the results.
All right, here I am with my hair 100% dry in the cast. Interestingly enough, I rarely get a cast in my hair. It's no big deal. It doesn't seem to necessarily affect how well my hair does. There are people who feel like getting a really good, strong, crunchy cast on wash day will help increase wash day longevity. And I found that to be true sometimes, and sometimes if I use enough product to get a cast in my hair's like really weighed down and heavy. Anyway, this is what my hair's looking like. I diffused it to 90% dry and then wandered around my house and let it finish air drying. It is actually many hours later. We had the power go out in my house and I had to wait for the power to come back on so you would have light to see my hair. Anyway, now I'm ready to fluff and scrunch out the crunch because that's the best part of wash day. All right, here we go. This really breaks anything off of my scalp that might be stuck and not cute. And everything here is really soft and good. Y'all can hear my kiddo playing in the background. All right. And there we go. That is it for this wash day. I may or may not be looking in the monitor. I really like how this turned out. I love these products. I really do. Let me turn around and show you the back. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it. It helps me out and it lets me know that the video accomplished its purpose because I'm here to be as helpful as humanly possible. That's why I do this. I want to help you enjoy the hair that you are fearfully and wonderfully made with. So yeah, there we go. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to hang out with me some more. I know I'd like to hang out with you. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later.